one of the most foolish things an ego can do regarding seeking, whether it's physically seeking, practically seeking, psychologically seeking, spiritually seeking, religious seeking, scientific seeking. One thing that humans have become accustomed to and believe it's the correct way because the ego is a very adamant and dominant and superior force. Human ego minds will always give advice on how to seek, what to seek, where to seek, when to seek, and some tell you what the outcome of seeking will be. So, for instance, if you're seeking a new car, there are many voices out there that will give you advice on where to go, how to do it, and you don't need an outcome because you know what car is, you see. So when you're seeking for, say, enlightenment or God or an out-of-body experience, what advice is going to bring you the outcome, you see? The advice to get the car may be, in our human way, practical and cost you less and but the mind will always say, remember, whatever the outcome is, I'm not telling you how it is, what the outcome will be, and if this will go 100% accurate as how I've described. I'm just giving you advice. You see? So when you're seeking enlightenment, and a specialized saint says, well, enlightenment, I can only share my experience. Is that sharing the experience in an egoistic way to say, look, I've done it? Or is that sharing the experience to give you advice on if you want to try it my way, nothing to lose, you see? And this is humanist to put all the ideas, all the concepts, all the religions, all the sciences, all the theories, all the methods, all the practices, all the cultures, all everything into a pot. And it's stir it up, pull it out, and that's the best advice I can give you. See? What will I pull up? You have no idea. You have no idea. If your mind tells you that it's going to give you something, then can you trust this mind? Can you trust the accuracy? But when everything is in the pot, the one that is giving you advice on whatever it is, practical, social, how to get a relationship, how to be a better father, how to find fish, what river to seek in, how to meditate, what kind of practice is the best for out-of-body experience. Are they pulling things out of the pot for you? Or are they just not fully aware of this complexity of life? Are they falling into the same routine, the same ways, the same advice patterns and, best ways and everyone says it. Everyone says it. But the mind, it cannot stop from producing it. Everyone says it. Don't go by what I say. Don't even go by what I do. DIY, do it yourself. See? So what you want is, you want the whole pot. You want someone to say, take the pot. Okay? Take the pot. Don't dip in. Don't, try it one at a time. Don't look in the pot to see what's the best root, the best color, the best shape, the best. Take the whole pot. You see, what the God of consciousness says in the biblical way, in the human, soulful, spiritual way, is throw everything away, or accept everything as it is. God, thou shalt not judge, thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not harm, thou shalt not say bad things, thou shalt not sin, thou shalt not. Everything that we as humans are hoping to achieve, we can't get out of bed for an hour without falling foul to at least one. You can say, no, that's not true. I get out of bed in the morning and I say, what shall I do with my day? Is that a sin? No. I think I'll maybe go and help my wife taking the washing. Judgment. I made a judgment before it actually happened. I've looked into the future and speculated and selected. God says you're not here to select, you're here to accept God's way. And I'm going to take away my wife's independence, and I'm going to hang out the washing, and she's going to get so angry because, be yourself. See? We cannot do it, you see. So we want the pot, and we want to dip in whenever we want to dip in. Next year it'll be Hinduism. Next month it'll be maths at school. I think I'm going to be a joiner. I think I'll drop maths and I'll be a joiner. I'll take woodwork. I think I'm going to go with that girl. That girl is, she's doing my head in. Yeah. I'm going to wear that t-shirt because, it's the colour of my football team, and it will irritate my friend who supports the other football team. I'm going to take everything out of the pot bit by bit by bit. Or deny the pot. How can you deny the pot, you see? You cannot deny the pot until you know what this pot is. It's human instinct. It's natural human instinct. I cannot deny that species of animal, that new species of animal that I've never saw. I cannot deny it until I know what it is, or until I've seen what it is, or until I've heard what it is. I cannot deny it till I've seen it. So how can you deny the whole pot? We cannot accept the whole pot, you see. Accepting the whole pot is to say, okay, I'm not doing it bit at a time. I'm doing it all. And all is one moment. Just be. Don't talk. Don't verbalize. Don't think. Don't choose. Don't select. Don't have a practice. Don't have methods. Don't have choices. Ignore everything. Ignore everything. Ramana Maharshi does it bit by bit, because the pot comes in thoughts. The contents of the pot comes in little thoughts. And the pot is everywhere, is it? Everything is in the pot. You see, you get speakers all the time. Myself, been guilty. I prefer Jiddu Krishnamurti. I prefer Yuji Krishnamurti. I didn't say to another. That's what came out of the pot. The pot was a thought, the name Jiddu Krishnamurti. It was raised, and I've divided the pot. I've taken this out of the pot and said, this is what we're looking for. Whole contradiction on life, you see. Whole contradiction in Buddhism. Buddha says the pot is there, it's for your own benefits. Use it wisely. Take out what is correct. The Bible says the same thing. Be vigilant. Be careful. Do not sin. Do not mock. Do not use words to harm. Do not, fight. Do not commit adultery. Do not have sex in some areas of the pot, celibacy, this, that, So what I did was I denied the whole pot. And the whole pot was me, because I know the pot. I know the word pot. I know what a pot is. So I deny the knowledge of even this pot, this human life. Deny it. I denied I, you see. And then, voila. Instantly. Yuji Krishnamurti calls it one pulse. Master Eckhart, one sound. The word I heard, one moment. A vocal, verbalized sound that came in one whole heartbeat, one whole moment, one whole universe. Well, you can't say universe because there are many universes, one whole existence. And in that moment, in that pulse, in that sound, everything is taken from you. Everything is taken from you. The pot is taken from you. You've totally ignored the one at a time human way. Take out this. Try it. No, thank you. Take out that. Try it. Great. No, thank you. So you have to go through the whole contents of the pot. So when Jiddu Krishnamurti speaks, thank you. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you. No, thank you. Everyone that speaks to you, no, thank you. You speak to yourself in a device, no, thank you. You speak to yourself in the mirror, no, thank you. Your body says, help me, no, thank you. You deny yourself as much as you deny the pot, because you are the pot. Everything is contained in your pot as you. You are that one pulse, you are that one sound, you are that one moment. So you cannot go on and give advice So, well, if I was you, what happened? I was following this. I was not following anything except a dissolution of the friggin' pot. Take this pot away. Take this I away. I'm not wanting to know who I is. I just want I to go. I want something that put me here to take my pot away and make sure I am in it. I is in it. But that's what they class as awakening, enlightenment, 7 years of beautiful bliss for denying the pot. But do you think consciousness in God is going to pardon someone who didn't make effort, didn't follow practices and methods and join religion or cults or spiritual seeking? Who the hell are you? You think you are the second Christ? No. The lesson then is everything is going to confront you from this point. How are you going to take it on board now, you see? Are you going to start again? But the pot will never be destroyed. The pot is existence in its whole. So I am existence in its whole. But I have a mind that breaks existence up and makes it into little compartments in this pot of mind. So therefore, life goes on. All the beautiful speakers come up. Papa G. Thank you, Papa G. Wonderful talk, wonderful uttering. Absolutely know what is beyond it, what the meaning, the essence of it is. And then you say, no, thank you. No, thank you. You can't individualize Papa G over Osho, over Jiddu Krishnamurti, over Ramana Krishna, Ramana Maharshi, C. Nisargadatta Maharaj. You cannot say Zen is better than Advaita. Advaita is better than Sufism. Sufism is better than Christianity. Jesus is better than Buddha. So, because when you do, you're pointing everyone that you talk to back into the pot of whatever it is you're giving advice on. So seeking is your own destiny. And you seek the way you seek, and you do what you have to do, or what you don't have to do. And don't listen to this speaker, and don't listen to anything other than your teacher within. And that teacher will not give a name. It will not say what it is. But your mind will try and put you back in the pot and say, wow, that sounded so much like Christ, the Spirit. And you're back in the spot of spirituality, the back in Christianity. And that's you, again, with another label that you have to cast aside. What happens in the one moment is the denial of the whole pot means that you've denied life as it is. You've denied existence. You've denied afterlife, if you believe in that. You've denied the opportunity to be here and be free. And what is there is not a seeker. It's not that what you were seeking. It's just the pulse, the sound, the heartbeat, the moment. And where do you go from there? Nowhere. There's nowhere to go. Nowhere to hide, nowhere to run, nowhere to be free. Because you're not in control of destiny. No thing is in control of destiny. Destiny is just another revolution, another realization, another moment. Because if you transcend and go into the ninth dimension and go into a different universe, you'll come up against the same pulse, the same sound, the same moment. Because it's infinite, it's immortal, and it's here to do what it pleases. But the human makes a mockery of it, because if the human allowed this to do what it pleases, we would all be saints, angels, gurus, rich, wealthy, happy, contented, loving, compassionate, kind. And there would be no Hinduism, no segments in the pot. There's just the pot. Human beings, we break it up. We try and build it up. We try and create more rooms in the pot. More words, more vices, more sins, more opportunities, more ways, more challenges, more likes, more dislikes. That's why the idea that the earth will destroy the environmental thing, it's not anything like that. It's our mind and our brain. It's so compartmentalized. It's ready to explode. And when it explodes, one moment, one pulse, one sound. Back you go.